If I want control, and I do like control, by the way, if I want control, the only thing I have control over is my response to what's coming at me. So if a kid swears at me, tells me where to go, what route to take my mother with me, all right, I only have control over how I respond. And the only way I can do that is to stop in the moment and not say anything at all, put my emotions in check, don't take it personally, and then go, you know what? I'm not going to respond at all. Maybe I need time. You know, there's something that they call, with the impulsive brain. The impulsive brain basically has an idea, has a thought, and then has an action. But you got to learn how to put a space in between it. So for me as the adult, I got a thought about that kid. It's not a good one. But I got to put a space in there, and the space is I'm going to say nothing. I'm going to give myself the opportunity to protect my own dignity and theirs, and I'm going to go sit on it. Maybe I'll talk to them later. Maybe I'll greet them tomorrow. That might be all I can do right now. But it would certainly be a whole lot better than giving up total control by going into compliance mode. And as soon as you give up control, you've given up your control. And if that's the one thing I can get through to people, is that as soon as you do it, you give up your control. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.